all, welcome to the session on Smart Vision Glasses Pro. This is Vaishnavi. Hope everyone are doing great. And see, lot of assistive technology devices have arrived, and we just need to explore them, and we will get to know how it is useful for us. So now today we have Sheila ma'am from SHG Technologies, who is the company representatives from for Smart Vision Glasses Pro. So she will explain the demo, and she will show us the live demo of Smart Vision Glasses Pro. And later on the demo, we will ask questions and answers. And after the demo, if members have any questions, you can ask your questions to her. She will answer so that we will get to know how much it is useful for us. So over to you, Sheila ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. I'm Sheila. I'm General Manager of SHG Technologies. We are in Bangalore and we are the manufacturers of Smart Vision glass. And we work for visually impairments because we have one story on our background. Our CEO Ramu Muthangi's sister went blind because of some issues that is regarding uh, retina detachment. So he was from the Kanpur, IIT Kanpur, and we thought of why the technology should be used only for to make our life easy. Why not it should be used for any cause? Then we thought of why we cannot build a device which can help a visually impaired people to read like a normal people. And we visited many schools and college across the blind schools and college, and we came to know that the students were sitting in the schools without having any material in their hand because as you all know, the material like braille material are very costly, and the printing process we don't have, and also material was also not available. And what people exactly, the students who were sitting in the class, what they were hearing was their learning about. And then we thought of bringing a glass where the visual blind people can also read to and read as a normal person. This was our concept. As we brought the glasses, then the many of the users asked us they want the many other features to be added over there because they want to be independent every time and at every stage of their life. It may be like while walking or recognizing people to know things around them when they are in the new place, and they want to read of multiple language, and they want to read to their class notes, or when they are in shopping complex they want to know what the prescription is. Everywhere they said they want to depend upon the people, so they want to be more independent. Then we started up the building. Ultimately in 2018 we came up the device called smart vision glass, where which was a double sided device, but we couldn't do more in that because the weight was little more heavy. Then we brought up smart vision glass plus, where which was with the half of the weight, but it has a wired where which was connecting to the mobile phone. And in the mobile phone you have to download our application, and then you have to connect where the power and everything used to take through the mobile phone. And we did it very well, but some of the requirement is when the person was in a metro station or in a metro or in a bus, the wire which used to entangle out was little tough for them to travel and all. So then at now what I'm going to show is Smart Vision Glass Pro, which is a wireless, and it is weightless because it comes around the weight of only 24 grams, and it's a wireless. and microphone is inbuilt inside the glass. In the Gen 2, what has happened was we used to come out with the earphone where they have to plug in. But visually impaired people, we came to notice that their ears should be very free, because they'll gauge the sound of the surrounding and they'll come to know who is coming near, or which vehicle is moving around, and also we don't want to cover their ears. Now we have come up with the bone conduction speaker, where it is inbuilt and which is a wireless, and which is a very light device, which is around only 28 grams. And this specs looks as normal as the specs where other people wear. Only a small device has been attached to your left side, where you have a camera, proximity sensor, flashlight. A camera, whatever it takes the picture, it converts into auditory form and it explains you. And again, you have a multiple language over here, where it explains you in your language. You have the option to take any language. And we have a proximity sensor. Proximity sensor in the sense, when you are walking, it calculates the distance of the obstacles which comes in between, and it says out a obstacle of a chair, at what distance it is. And when you go very near, then it try to explain you whether you can go to your right or a left. It depends upon the space availability for you. And if the space is not there, it will just tell you to stop. And we have a flashlight over here, because visually impaired people will be not knowing the density of the light. So the flashlight comes every time when there is a dull light. So to make that, whatever the reading material come before the camera, it can capture in a good way. So here you can read multiple language, all Indian languages it supports you. And we have a on and off button, and you have to charge the device. And also to the right side, we have a one more charger. You have to charge for Bluetooth earphone, which I'll be showing you and I'll be explaining you. And we have a swiping mechanism here. We have divided the functionalities into two different main course and also secondary course. In the main course, you will be having things around you. In the things around you, whenever you go and tap for the things around you, it explains each and everything on your surrounding. Whenever you want to go in depth, you have to give a tap so that it goes on explaining you. If a person comes, it describes. If a reading material is there, it reads out, or it describes everything. So the people will be coming know where exactly they are. This is how it helps. The second is the reading mode. In the reading mode, it reads more than 58 languages. You can read to your handwritten notes or any prescription or any books, anything you can read. And the next comes the walking assistant. As I said, LEDAR come into action, and in the walking assistant, it supports you by guiding you in your language. It says what is the obstacle, at what distance it is, and when you go very near, it tells you to go to which direction depending upon the space availability. And then currency detection is there, and voice commands is there. Commands, when you are not able to give any swipe in the voice command, you can just give out. You take to reading mode or a walking assistant, anything you give out the commands, uh, it works accordingly. And facial storage is also there. When a person comes before you, it explains the person is a male or a female, approximate age. If you feel the person is very important, you can say. You can say more than 150 faces over here, so that once a person comes before you in the next time, it tells you out, like Sheila Vaishnavi is before you, and you can delete the faces also. And whatever you read, you can store also. Whenever you want, you can recover again. And we have emergency mode. In the emergency mode, when you are in a panic situation, if you just give a long tap, it takes you for emergency. It takes your photo, it takes your location, and it will share to a near one or a dear one. It may be your parents or friends. And by seeing your location and your background photo, they'll come to know in which condition, in which situation you are, and they'll guide you. Immediately, call will be going to your parents so that they'll guide you also. And a support system is there. Whenever you're using the glass, if you have any queries, you can just go to the support, and you can record your queries, or what exactly you need. We'll be receiving on the background in the recorded form, and immediately we'll be calling you back to support you. And also we have a tutorial. Means whenever you go get the glasses, no need to ask anyone or any sighted person or anyone to support you. It will guide you each and every step. What is what and where to go, and how the functionalities, how it works and all. So we make this glass to make you all independent with very all aspects of your life. And this is for totally blind people, and this is called a Smart Vision Glass Pro. And I am very glad to introduce another one product, which is Aura Vision. This is augment reality per AR glasses. This is for low vision people. If the low vision people have, like they'll be having peripheral vision loss, or it's central vision loss, blurry vision. If they want, if they are come across all this, we have a glass I'll be showing you at the end, where it will address all the central vision loss, peripheral, blurry vision, hazy vision, and also color blindness. Everything we are addressing in Aura Glass. This is a new glass where we launched in through the help of Narayan Netralaya, because clinically tested and it was certified by Narayan Netralaya. This is the introduction. If anyone has the question, you can ask, or else I'm going to give you a live demo to show how exactly the device works. Then you can come out with queries. Is it good, or how is it, Vaishnavi?
Yes, yes, ma'am. You can go with the demo.
No,
After
no,
the
1 minute.
demo, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry for the interruption, ma'am. It was an excellent introduction, which we were able to know many features about this smart glass device. Again, can you just talk something about the application? Like, what are the settings is provided on the
Yeah.
mobile application? Whether
Yeah.
this application
I'll
can be
sh-
used either on only on Android or iOS
yeah.
concern?
I'm sorry, I forgot to tell this about. We have a application called Smart Vision Glass Pro, which you can go and just type in the Play Store and you can download. And this application runs for our device, runs for both the Apple iOS phone or Android also, but the Android version should be above 8. It works
Okay.
for the both, and you have to download the application. And the first step is, you have, for the first time connectivity, it takes some time. It takes some time, means 45 seconds it takes. After
Okay.
that, you have to just open the application, and you have to just on the switch on the device. The configuration will be automatic and no need to hold your mobile phone in your hand. Just you can keep it your mobile phone in your pocket. If the ladies, they can keep it in their purse so that both the hands will be free for you and you will feel the comfortable. And the device is on the spectacles. So once you swipe on, we'll go on to multiple functionalities.
But we need to carry our mobile wherever we go. We
Yeah,
need to
yeah,
carry our mobile.
because software is inbuilt within the application, no?
Okay, so we need to
You mean
carry
to
it.
say this camera is trying to detect the objects, but the entire information will be processed through the phone, correct?
Yeah, yeah. The camera proximity sensor flashlight is on the device.
Okay.
Okay.
So that information sent to phone, and it will be
Yes.
processed, and again it will be outputted through the phone
Device.
condition. Yeah.
Yeah, voice through the audio auditory form on the device.
Okay. Yeah,
So
participants.
let's go for the demo. So we'll take the questions after the
Yeah, yeah.
implemented.
Yeah.
I just downloaded the application into the Android phone and I'll just now open the application and I'll switch on the, yeah, it is saying that. And we have the registration form over here. The registration form asks your name, your number, and also emergency contact person name and emergency contact person phone number. Because whenever you are in panic situation, no, when you just tap for the emergency, the number whatever you have taken in the registration form, it goes to that. And I'm just switching on the this one video and you can just see me. Yeah, this is how the glass looks and it's very simple. Now I'll come out with the phone audio because it's a live demo, no? So you all people can listen to this and I'm just swiping around you. I'm just swiping. Reading mode. I'm just walking assistant. Currency detection.
Ma'am, you're swiping on the phone or the glasses
No, no,
device?
no. So I nothing is to do in the phone. Phone will be
Okay.
on your pocket.
Okay.
Now I'm just swiping on the device.
Right,
Can
right.
you hear the sound?
Yeah, okay.
No, we can, but it is not too audible. Like it's
Little
the
bit.
Yeah, just a minute. I'll close my windows. Some
Okay.
so that. So now can you listen? Just a minute.
Yeah, participants, I would like to tell you that after the demo, I will unmute everyone so that you can ask questions. Meanwhile, please wait.
Now is it audible?
Yeah, okay.
somehow we
Somehow.
can.
Okay.
Is not
Yeah,
able to
okay.
hear you?
No, we can hear now.
Okay, see, listen once. Walking assistant.
Okay.
Okay, it has been taken to walking assistant. If I want, I can tap over there, or else I can go for next. This is
No, no, 1 minute, ma'am. Sorry for interrupting you. See, basically, our listeners has experienced about the currency detection, image recognition, everything. But uh, people like me are very much curious about the walking mode. So we all want to understand how this walking mode actually helps. The thing is, like, will it really detects the ground level objects or top level objects, or like how it will guide? So can you please
No,
show?
whenever you're in the walking assistant, you have to bend your eyes, because when we are a normal person, we will our eyeball will be turning around. No, if you want to see on the ground level, we'll see down. When we want to see above the knee level, we'll raise little more. And when we want to see above our shoulder, will just raise our head. No, the same mechanism you have to do when you are having the device, because when you are having the device camera, when you want to focus on the ground level, please bend little more so that you can focus on the ground level. If you if you lift your chin for 12 degree, then you will be able to see above the knee level. When you just your upright means then you can see above the chest level. So that mechanism you have to do when you are in walking assist.
Like, I mean, he is asking, like, when we are
Uh,
going on the roads,
yeah, I'll do one
few
thing.
few stray animals come and
I'll
See.
do one
okay.
thing. I'll come out with the demo one by one so that you can understand each and
Okay.
every.
Yeah, okay.
All right,
Sorry
all
for the
right.
interruption. Please carry.
Yeah.
Voice assistant. I was in voice assistant. Just a minute. So I'll go to things around you and I'll click on things around you. More options. More options. Things around you. Things around you have been. Now I'll take things around you. I'll press the things around you activated. Things around you is activated, and please wait. It's a desk with a phone and papers. Please wait. It's processing. Hotel. Yan. 811. Horror vision. Finished reading detect other object. Yeah, I have just kept an Aura Vision pamphlet over here, and it read out Aura Vision, and it's saying I have kept some material on the table, and I want to go in depth. So when I go in depth, it starts explaining you.
Now, how was you able to identify the things? I mean, like once you after activating the feature, did you turn your face either towards left or right? Like uh, it just took the picture around you.
No, when you're for if you want to know what exactly in front of you, it says out. When you want to this camera which takes you 70-degree in width, it can run even before up to 2 meters. Whatever it will be able to capture, it explains you. If I am sitting like this, all my towards my right and to my left, everything it takes and it captures and it tells you.
You mean to say 360 degrees?
No, no,
Wha-
360 it cannot.
180.
It's
Okay, 180.
yes.
Okay.
And it can even go up to 2 meters also, but it depends. Here where I am sitting here, no, my building and everything which is very far, it can recognize also, because buildings are too big, no. But writing and all, it depends upon the font size, because if the font size are very small, it cannot do. So it depends upon how big the letters are. Okay, and one thing I want to explain over here is we have a warranty card of 2 years. Warranty card will be giving out. When the device, you unbox the device, when you just switch on the device, it will ask you to scan the QR code. We had given the scanning QR code on the box, so you have to scan, and then the device will be connected to your phone, means to our application. Then the registration forms comes out. Once the registration form is filled out, it is done. From the next time, no need to do anything. You have to just open the application and you have to switch on the device.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see then rest of the
Next.
features like.
See, I am just wearing and I am swiping. Currency detection. Walking assistant. Walking was there. Walking assistant activated. So people.
Please use your walking stick while using walking assistant and keep your head straight and slightly down.
So now it explains.
Please wait. I am identifying your surroundings. There is a white desk with a fan, paper, and a phone in front of it. Obstacle 6 steps away. Stop. Turn to avoid the obstacle.
See here, I can only
Move
take.
slide right carefully.
I have to.
Move right.
I have to.
Walk right. Sign says SHC to the left. Move right. Move right. Stop. Turn to avoid the obstacle. Stop. Turn to avoid the obstacle. Stop. Turn to avoid the obstacle. Door ahead. Move carefully. Walk forward. Sign reads SHG on the left. Walk right. There is a sign that says SHG ahead. There is a door to your right.
Yeah.
Walk straight, pass a fan, and then turn left. There is a sign that says SHG on the left. Walk forward. A sign says SHG on the left. There is a whiteboard to your right. There is a whiteboard to your right. The obstacle. There is a laptop in front of you. Walk right. Move left. Walk. Move slide left. Obstacle 7 steps. Stop. Turn to a. Move left. Move right. Obstacle. Stop. Turn to avoid the 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 obstacle.
Yeah.
Continue walking.
See.
Walk straight ahead.
Yeah, this is the walking assistant. You understood, I think. When I turn to my right, it is saying that I can take 6 steps. After that, I have a door and it is saying SHG is written on the door. And while I am walking, I have to be very careful because a fan was there. When I turn to the right, it said to stop because on my right I don't have any space because wall is there. Again, when I turn to the left, it's saying I can take only 6 steps. After 6 step, it said to me I should be very careful. A window is there. Oh, sorry, a door is there. On the glass door, it said particularly on the glass door again, SHG technology is written. And again, it says to my left, I have a fan, means a stand fan where I should be very careful. This is how it says. Can I go for next
Yeah,
functionalities?
yeah, please. Yeah, please.
Yeah. Next.
Please wait. It's from English. DH2. The mainstay of education is the teacher. The teacher is not only the builder of the personality of the student but also the builder of the nation. The embodiment of a nation lies in its citizens. In the development of a nation, the role of teachers who shape its future citizens is very important. Since time immemorial, the importance of a teacher has been praised only because of the knowledge imparted by him. HEZEL. See the chance. Stopping.
Okay.
Walking assistant. Reading mode.
I have activated the reading mode and I have
Improved results. Hold the book at eye level and move it 1 foot away from you. Please wait. हिंदी DH2 यौन आइडल शिक्षा का प्रमुख आधार शिक्षक ही होता है। शिक्षक न केवल विद्यार्थी के व्यक्तित्व का निर्माता बल्कि राष्ट्र का निर्माता भी होता है। किसी राष्ट्र का मूर्त रूप उसके नागरिकों में ही निहित होता है। किसी राष्ट्र के विकास में उसके भावी नागरिकों को मिलने वाले शिक्षकों की भूमिका अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण होती है। अनादिकाल से शिक्षक की महत्ता का गुणगान उसके द्वारा प्रदत्त ज्ञान के कारण ही होता आया है। जेम्स एम GU5 Working assistant.
okay. Now I have stopped for reading.
Things around you.
I have taken the things around you. Now I'm just I want to capture.
Things around you activated.
Now it is being activated.
Okay.
And
Please wait. A desk with a lamp and a computer. Some common objects are office, computer desk, laptop. Dad wants to get more details about your surroundings. On wait. The image shows a desk in an office. There is a white fan on the floor to the left of the desk. On the desk, there are a few objects, including a black laptop, a smartphone, a glass of water, and a water bottle. The laptop is open and the screen shows a recording, a black screen with white writing, and a video in a small box on the screen showing what looks like a person sitting at a table. To the left of the desk is a whiteboard with handwritten notes on it. The wall behind the desk is painted light gray, and a sliding glass door is in the background. The door is open, and behind it we can see an office with a pink wall and green plants. Tap to detect other objects.
so this is how it explains. It explains you that I'm sitting in an office, there is a desk, there is a laptop. In the laptop, a person is there and it has been recording it saying on the background, I have a board I have written that is on the white background, black letters are there. I have a phone and there is a door and door is opened and the other side I have a window. On the window I have kept some green plants. Everything it explained. This is how it explains. Now you understood, I think, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And I'll just
Reading mode.
reading mode.
Walking assistant.
Walking is also done.
Currency detection.
Currency detection means any note comes before the camera, it tells you out.
Voice assistant.
And the voice assistant.
Voice assistant activated. Please speak after the bell sound.
What about today's weather?
Okay. Right now in Bengaluru, Karnataka, the temperature is 30.4 Celsius and it feels like few clouds. Please speak after the bell sound.
What is the time now?
It's 12:36 now. Please speak after the bell sound.
What about today's date?
Today is 22 March 2025. Please speak after the bell sound. More options activated. Facial storage activated.
Now facial storage I
No
have been.
face found. Please try again.
Nobody is here, so it is saying no face is found. Please try it out.
My bookshelf.
This is the bookshelf where you can store whatever you read.
Delete stored faces.
If you want to delete, you can delete the faces. Audio tutorial, the tutorial where it explains how the device work. If you want to know about the warranty information, it tells you. Help desk is where you can record your queries. Where I can go back to main menu. This is how it works. Yeah. Is
Is
it clear
there?
to everyone?
Yeah, yeah. Uh, is there any live where we can see? Have you stored any pictures of the person where if you show your camera towards them to for detection?
Yeah, it's also possible.
No. Is there any people who where it can recognize? I mean, currently.
Yeah, if big personalities like Narendra Modi and all,
No,
if
no,
we
no.
just
I'm
show the
asking
picture,
you.
it
No,
will.
Is there any,
no. Yeah, is there any person
is there
nearby
any
you?
faces? Yeah.
You want to show me how to store the face?
No, no, no. What my question is, like, is there any phases which is already stored
No,
where
I
our
have not
user?
done the storing is not done.
Oh, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
because this was a demo one, so I didn't do that.
So as you
Okay.
said, it reads almost 64 languages. So will it recognize South Indian languages as well,
All
including
Indian
Telugu?
regional language it recognizes.
Oh, nice. Okay. So now it's time for our participants to ask the questions. So I just have only two questions. Now, one is like, is there any government subsidized subsidy where we can
No,
avail that?
we don't have. You can arrange for that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So it uses Google TTS, right? Google text to speech.
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, does it have any light detection? Like, if suppose if there is light in the room or not there, like
Yeah,
that?
it tells it out.
Tells it out. Okay.
Yes.
How long the battery lasts? Like, once charged, how long?
It runs about 4 hours.
4 hours.
It depends upon the usage. If you are very continuous usage, it lasts for 4 hours. If it is not used, then it goes for sleep.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, is there any like if the device have any problem, is there any repair or
2 years
replacement
warranty is
services?
there.
Warranty is there. Okay.
Yeah.
What about the software updates, ma'am? Like,
Once the software is updated, it automatically your device will be updated and a voice note will be there saying that what update has been done. And once you switch on, the update will be automatic on your device.
okay, and like how many years? Like 1 year or 2 years? How many software updates
No,
will be
we have
provided?
given subscription is not there. It's a free.
Free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So it's time for questions from the listeners.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Your name?
Yeah, yeah, Mr. Kiran here. Madam, can I ask you a question, ma'am? Sheila, ma'am.
What is the price of the this particular device, ma'am?
Hello, the price is 35,000 and the GST is 1,750.
Okay,
Okay.
so no government aid or subsidy is there, as Shankar, I think, was asking.
No, they have not given us. But many CSR people works with us and many Rotary comes by, but they comes with their beneficiaries.
And regarding the one question somebody asked, face recognition we can feed in the system, is it?
A feed in the system is you have to take the picture, automatically it will feed.
In the sense that I want to recognize that this is my son and this is.
Yeah, you can take his picture and it will ask you what is the name of the person. If you say the name, with that face, the name will be attached.
Okay, so that tagging can be done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kiran sir, you're asking something?
Oh, yeah. Hello, am I audible right now?
Yes, you can.
Yes.
Yeah. So, madam, I have a smart vision glass which is already given, like I have received. Okay. from our organization, and I just wanted to know, like, is there any possibility to upgrade, or I need to change the complete device?
No, 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 no. Means it's a wireless or a wired one?
Yeah, it's a wired one, madam, which we have received.
Wired one. The software will be the same, sir. The only the thing is it will be with wire. That's it.
Okay, and then, like, how can I upgrade? Or, like, what is the step that I have to take right now? Further,
Means you are asking about the upgradation in the app or you software upgradation?
yeah, complete device, madam. See, now you are
No,
showing
he
That
looking
I
for
want
the
to talk
replacement.
to my team because that pricing is different and what I am talking about the wireless pricing is different.
So, yeah, what is the total price of the wireless device, ma'am? I couldn't hear. Sorry.
35,000 is the price and the
Okay.
GST is 1,750.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, total it comes up to
36.
36,750.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I have one more question that like this for example, can we detach this device from the specs and we can fix it for other glasses or like
Because within the glass we have a bone conduction, so
okay,
you will be losing the bone conduction speaker.
okay.
Ah,
Ma'am,
Uh,
I have a doubt like for suppose we are going on the road for suppose and it doesn't have any earphones as such and in the traffic we can't hear the speaker I mean
no,
what
no.
it's
This
saying,
is a
right?
bone conduction which will be attached to your ear bone and the back of the ear, and the clarity of the sound is too good. Clarity is very good, so that it will be very clear for you. No need, no worries are there.
okay.
Ma'am, I have one question. So where you're telling the app is connected through phone
Ah,
and the image processing goes through phone and again it gives output in the glass.
ah.
So what about the phone's battery, man? What about the drainage of phone's battery? Because I am using
No,
iPhone.
no, no. Here we have a battery on the device. So charging for your phone is different, charging for the device is different. There is no relation with your phone battery and
What
all.
is the bone conduction
Uh,
bone speaker?
one more thing is when we
Wait,
are
wait.
logging in the app.
Huh,
So we logged in, and if we close the app, so it will
huh.
work, or we need to open the app in the background and use glasses. So how it is?
No, no. When you are want to just connect for the device, you have to open the app and you have to turn on the device.
Okay.
After that, the phone can be kept in your pocket, on your purse. There is
Guys,
no need
unmute.
to hold and
Everybody has the rights to unmute.
Okay.
Ma'am, just I want a clarity like bone conduction, how it works. I
Ah,
didn't understand.
it's a bone conduction
Okay.
speaker,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, which is inbuilt within the spectacles to make sure that the quality of sound is too good, and we don't want to block your ears with the earphone because visually impaired people they want. Hello.
Madam, audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah, please.
Madam, I have one query,
No, I
ma'am.
want to clear the
Hello?
answer. What
Hey,
is the
wait.
Wait. Yes, ma'am, go
Yeah,
on.
I want to clear the answer. In the where we are asking that one, someone was saying that they are using the wired one. In the wired one, we had given the earphone. There you had to plug to your ears and to
Okay.
hear the sound.
Hmm.
For the visually impaired people, it's very important. No, the ears should be
Yes.
exposed to the background
Outside. Yeah.
sound or yeah,
Yes.
sound where they want to come to know whether anyone is coming here or vehicles are running around and all. For
Hmm.
that sense, now in the wireless, we have come up with the bone conduction where there is no need to have any earphone and all. It is inbuilt speaker within the glass where the quality of hearing is also fine and it's very easy to maintain also.
Okay. It is inbuilt in the glass. We don't need
Yeah.
to wear anything to our
No,
ears.
no, no, extra nothing to
Hmm.
wear and all.
Okay,
Okay.
And
Ma'am,
Manikanta, you can
only
ask
the
your
ma'am,
question.
person itself will be hearing. It doesn't even annoy for anyone else.
Okay.
Okay.
Please,
ma'am,
please.
this is Manikanda from Vizag, ma'am. Uh, Madam, for example, this is this device connected to Bluetooth, na? My query is I want to listening songs through Bluetooth earphones. Then again, I want to listen with voice with device. Two devices. How can we listen to both same time?
Means you want to hear through the phone or Bluetooth?
No, no, no.
Actually,
See, I try to suffice this question. See, basically, he wants to do to multiple things with your
Shankar, your
this
voice
songs.
is not audible.
AirPods. So his question is like, does it able to use simultaneously glass and the AirPods both at a time on the same Bluetooth?
Here the inbuilt speaker, whatever we have, it works to your phone also. Means you can take a call, you can have everything. It is one for your phone also, for our device also. If call is coming out, no, you can have a call also. You can make a call also. The whatever which is inbuilt bone conduction works for the device as well as for your phone also.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You can hear to music, for everything it is useful.
Gurumurthy
Yeah,
sir.
this is Gurumurthy here.
Yes.
So, face the patient.
Sir,
I
your
want to.
voice is
Sir, you are
breaking.
not audible, sir.
Some disturbance
Am
is
I audible
coming.
now?
No, no,
Somewhat,
no.
but there is some disturbance.
Your question is not clear.
కానీ ఆంటీ మీ దగ్గర అయితే మంచిగా అవుతుంది.
Oh.
No, it's not my.
లేదు.
Okay, I have muted everyone. Just wait. Give me a minute. I will unmute.
Well, can I ask question?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Just wait.
Okay. Okay. So good afternoon. This is Miss Suraj, and having a question directly to the ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, thank you for the demonstration. Although I missed the introductory part, my question might be answered in the introductory part. Still, I'm asking since I have missed that. Ma'am, is it possible, suppose I have sat down with the device in front of a laptop screen and in the screen there is a videography is going on. Can I have the description what's going on in the video, particularly? The first question and the second question that I have lined up for you, like uh, um, suppose if I have opened the device and the app, do I need to always keep my app open with the phone, or after the connection or after connecting with the device, I can bring my phone back to my normal, I mean, in my home screen? I hope I'm.
Okay, I will take your questions. Number one, if some video you want to watch a movie and can I see it and will it describe it for me? Answer is no.
Hello.
Okay, it won't. It
Yes,
will not
yes.
describe any video on your screen. Okay, it doesn't. It doesn't. Okay, but if there is a picture or if there is a text, it will read out for you. And if there is a picture, it will tell you what is the picture, but not a video, not a moving video. It will not describe for you. Okay. The second thing, the second question is the app. Okay, you turn away whenever you want to connect your device, you simply connect the app. Okay, and then you can go on to you connect the app, and then you can watch your if you want to do your WhatsApp or you want to do something else, you can go ahead because a mobile can run multiple apps at the same time.
Yeah. So I don't need to keep my app open always.
Yeah, you can keep it open, no problem.
Sir, I have one question. Since uh, what are your future plans about these classes? Like, anything is going to introduce in the next software upgradation, or like?
Yeah, what we have, we keep on we keep upgrading with multiple features. Like today, you are asking this question. Maybe you can ask me a specific question. What we do is we make a note of it. Can it be done? Yes, if it can be done, and if it can help visually impaired, and then we make a difference in their life, we develop. That's how our today the kind of the device that you're going to get, it can do many things it can do today. And then also we integrate what is called the generative AI, and you can ask any question to the device. Suppose you want to read what's going on with the, any question you can ask because we have integrated that part. Or you can ask it to play a particular song.
Please,
It can do. And if you want a news, it can do. You want weather, it can do. So there are many features that we keep adding, and all these things you get it free of cost.
So
And
one
update is automatic. Once we update the app, your device will be automatically updated, and voice note will be there, and it will tells you out what the update is.
So, ma'am, my question is, are you planning to introduce any video like now it's taking the pictures, right? So, will it be possible to record the video on the live and it'll explain us so that it'll take less time in processing and all those things? I hope you understand my question.
See, video, explaining a video is very difficult, very difficult. That requires a different technology altogether. And also the kind of processing that you would need frame by frame, this thing is very difficult. Who is this?
This is Vaishnavi
Vaishnavi.
here.
It
Yeah.
is very difficult, Vaishnavi,
Okay.
because it requires a lot of what do you call, a lot of processing power, video processing. So it's very difficult, and there are many things, many things involved. And to what extent, if a let's say if a horse is running, I can do only that much. But when a horse is running, there are a man coming in another way. So to describe such things, it requires a lot of processing, and the technology currently not available.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
They do multiple cameras and multiple processors, that kind of a things. They do have certain technologies, but for you are a single frame. It's very difficult.
Okay.
so one question.
May I ask you one question?
yeah, please
One
wait.
by one, one by one.
Shivendra, just
I
just
want to know, after taking picture of a particular scene or document, how many times it takes to process and which languages are included?
Very limited time, because you won't be able to see any delay. It just takes the picture and it converts into audio format, and you'll be listening.
there should be some
I
time
showed you
limited.
the reading mode, no? The
Yeah.
same pattern it runs.
And is Gujarati included?
Yeah.
So can I ask one question, Shivan, this side?
Yeah,
Sure.
please go ahead.
So instead of hanging a device on the face, is there any option that we can only tag the device on our shirt or t-shirt and plug in the earphone, something like that?
Here in the device, we have a camera which comes very near to your eyes. It acts as your eyes because something when you want to read and all, no, you'll be keeping the things before the eyes as a normal person. What we do, if the camera is somewhere on your t-shirt, how can you read? And if any person comes before you, the camera will be detecting as an, it works as an eye. When it is on the t-shirt, how can
Or
it be?
even like a torch or Is there any
No,
option of night
no.
vision?
I'll tell you the reason. See, today, okay,
Sir,
a
yeah,
human
you would have
being.
introduced yourself, sir. I mean, we are getting great answers from you, but
And your face is also not visible, sir. Just come to in front of
Okay,
camera.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
yes,
we
sir.
can
Yes,
hear you.
sir. Your good
Okay.
name, sir?
My name is Ramu.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Go on.
My name is Ramu, and I'm the CEO and the CTO of this company.
All right, sir.
Okay.
Go on, sir.
See, what is it like this? Bhushan is the one who asked the question, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Bhushan, what happens is for everything, there is a reason why we position something. Okay. I'm just giving an example. God has created eyes for eyes at a certain position, right? Okay. He put it on our head. And he did not create an eye on our shoulder. Why?
Got it.
Okay. Or God has created eyes in front of your head and he did not put it in the back of your head. Why? Because you will be moving and then he told you, you will be walking forward. Okay. So everything, every sensor has a place. Okay. And a place and a function, a purpose. Okay. So what we have done when you put a glass, that's why we have chosen the position of the camera along with the glasses. Glass is only a placeholder to position as close to your eye as possible. So what we call it a natural location. So camera is a natural location. If you want to put it on the belt of your the waist, I mean, it doesn't serve the purpose because it will be looking from your waist onwards
Mm.
down in this thing, and you will not be walking. You will not be able to walk properly.
Okay. And second question comes in, is there any night vision? I mean, in case of dark night, suppose I don't have the complete gone, but I am 90% disabled, but still I can see something in the daytime at least. But in night,
No,
will it be helpful?
see, the camera is not. See, we have what is the very purpose of this particular assistive device? The very purpose of the assistive device is to substitute, is to help a person who has got no vision.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I'm a sighted person. Do I see in night? In the sense, totally pitch dark. I can't see, right?
Okay.
But if there is light, I can see. The camera also can see.
Sir, in
So,
walking mode, is it you have to use cane or is it free of folding cane?
Cane is compulsory. Yeah. You cannot ignore cane, no.
you cannot ignore cane. Cane it has a purpose. Cane for visually impaired is almost like a lifeline. Everybody, you have to hold the cane, and so that you have that, whether your path is clear or not. Cane is a lifeline, and you should use cane. We recommend even if you use. Go ahead.
No,
Yeah,
no.
So
and
the product
Somebody.
will be
cane also
distributed with
helps
the product will be
to,
distributed with the same
let
location.
the
Yeah.
other people know that I'm visually impaired. Cane
Okay.
works as an identifier. Sir, having a question. Recently, I think the smart vision has been distributed in the Delhi and NCR region. Hello?
Yeah, yeah, please carry on.
Okay. Yeah. So recently it has been distributed in the Delhi and NCR. Since I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata. So this is a sort of informal question a little bit. Do you have any plan in future to distribute here in West Bengal? Collaboration with any organization or something like that? Thank you.
See, we did talk to Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata. Okay.
Yeah, sir. I'm a student
We,
from the Ramakrishna
yeah,
Mission.
we did talk to Ramakrishna Mission, but unfortunately, they did not go forward because the time there was supposed to be Indian Oil Corporation of Kolkata, along with Ramakrishna Mission, was to distribute certain things in Kolkata, but it did not really happen.
So as I'm a former student, so may I proceed again with the request if you wish, and do we need?
You should go and ask them. Can we get, because see, the thing is, Kolkata, see, I mean, like, my request to you guys is, you are the guys who wants it. Unless
Yes,
you
sir.
ask, you don't get it. So you have to voice your opinion through the associations, there are so many.
Shankar, your Josh is audible.
Not mine.
No, it's
Oh,
mine. Sorry,
okay,
it's
okay.
mine. Okay, I'm
Alright,
putting myself muted.
Okay,
Sorry.
so sir, anyway,
May
since
I ask,
we are actually running out of the time. So,
may I ask you one
could you
question?
please share your email ID so that people has a lot of questions, but don't know where to ask. So, if you don't mind, could you please repeat your email for
Yeah,
our viewers?
and sir, especially for me, if you could please share your contact details, I can communicate with you further for the distribution. If Ramakrishna, there are
hello.
some other organizations who can work along with it.
Excuse me, sorry for interruption. This is Kaushik from Bangalore. Sir, I have a request for you. Here, say for example, if we come, like if we purchase in a bulk, like if 10 to 15 people purchase individually rather than connecting to NGOs. So will it be any
Discount for
discount
us.
or something like
Yeah.
You come, talk to us, and then we'll definitely get. See, our vision is very, very simple. We want everyone to be, to have the device and lead a very productive life. Okay, so please come, talk to Sheila, and we'll provide whatever help we can. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
so my
so
question, just a question is, see, many startups or internships has started this type of glasses, and after 1 or 2 years, they are discontinuing the glasses. So once we purchase this, they are discontinuing. So lot of glasses have been produced like this, but yeah, I just want you guys to continue this glass, and so that people will be benefited. I just want to say this.
I totally agree with you because, see, you should only when you continue, I mean, then only you get the benefit of it, right?
Yes.
You can't get bored with something and then you say, hey, I don't need it anymore. If you want to read, if you want to read any book of your choice, you need glasses. Otherwise, audiobooks are not available, nor ebook, So you should get into the habit. Okay. Like,
Okay.
are you throwing away your mobile phone after 2 years of use and afterwards don't use any mobile phone? You don't,
Yeah.
right? Like that, it should be like, you should make it a companion, okay, and a virtual assistant.
May I
sir,
ask one
thank
more?
you so much for your time, sir. Sir,
Somebody
could you please share your
short question.
email ID with us so that
I'll be sending all the detail through Vaishnavi.
Okay, sure.
Okay, Vaishnavi.
Yeah, somebody is asking a question. We will end the session soon.
I would like
Yeah.
to know,
Ah.
are these glasses goggles or plain glasses, and are they washable
No,
if needed?
no.
Spectacles especially.
No. We give a cleaning cloth inside the bag, inside the pouch, okay, and you clean them. Don't wash them because if you wash them, the electronics will have. I know, like your telephone, you don't wash your telephone, right?
Yeah.
Your mobile phone, you don't wash your mobile phone, even if it's dirty, you just wipe it. Similarly, you wipe your this thing because the speakers or the microphones, they have what, and the camera, we put a dust cover. But what we call it is there is a standard. It can prevent dust, it can prevent sweat, it can prevent sweat will not go in. Some spray will not go in, but if you dip it into water, it will get damaged.
If persons are changing, or are they goggles or plain glasses for sunlight also?
No, you are asking in the showroom, is it available?
Yeah.
Google
Not-
showroom.
You
yeah,
don't.
yeah, we are actually requesting for that.
What is the question?
You don't.
What is the question? 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 What is the
No,
We
no.
need contact details. We need contact details,
Yeah,
email ID
sure,
and number.
sure.
I'll be sending all the detail, Vaishnavi, so that you can share to everyone in your group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
So anyway, sir,
Thank you
thank
so
you
much,
so much.
Sheila ma'am, and thank you so much, Ramu sir, for your demonstration and helpful Q&A, so that people get to know many things from you. So, if 10 to 15 individuals wish to buy, we will come to you, so that I request you to give the discount for us for at least tech
Sure.
accessibility
Sure.
members.
Make that resolution come and then talk to Sheila. I will tell her to give you a good
Sir,
discount.
last question from Kiran.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any possibility to replace the old Smart Vision Plus?
No. See, the thing is, we can't take, I'm just asking a simple question. Today, you buy a shirt from a store. After 2 years, can you go and exchange?
No, sir. No, sir. At least there should be a upgradation.
No, see, so we are giving free upgrade of software, but the
Okay.
hardware cannot be exchanged because
Oh.
there is no way we can derive any. Because see, if I have to help more people, Kiran, we need to get some kind of a revenue, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So,
And
sir, camera is detachable, or we have to use with that
No,
device only?
no, camera is not detachable.
sir, and one more thing, like reading control is there, paragraph. Suppose let's say I'm reading a particular page, okay. So if I want to read paragraph by paragraph or word by word, is there any option to change?
Yeah, you can do that. You can do that.
I can do it, right?
Yeah.
And if I want to, suppose even if I like that, is there any possibility to save it in a file, let's say PDF or any kind of, so
What
that.
was that?
So is there any possibility to save that document?
Yeah,
yeah.
actually,
We
It's
have a
shown.
picture
yes.
Yeah.
called
Yeah, you can.
bookshelf. You can
Oh,
store.
bookshelf. Okay, fine.
Yeah, bookshelf.
Even you can read current, previous, next paragraphs as well.
Okay.
Or else if you want to know the spelling for the current phrase, you can also tell, like, spell the current phrase so that it will spell
Okay.
for you in case.
Through the voice assistant, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry, guys. to interrupt. One last question. Since we are an iOS user again, so Android, we can agree in voice assistant, you have Google Assistant. What about the iOS device?
We do have same whatever features are supported on Android are supported on iOS.
iOS.
We take iOS
Time ಆಯ್ತು.
assistance. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Siri helps.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much for your time and the information.
You shared with us. Thank you so much.
Hopefully, we will get your contact details.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for your time. I truly appreciate
Thank you,
because
Mr. Ramos, sir.
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you.
Thank you,
Will be
Sheila
great,
ma'am,
sir.
and thank you so much, Ramu sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Sheila ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, Sheila
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, especially Shankar and Vaishnavi Garu for hosting the session.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you. Bye.
Vaishnavi, I'll be sharing you all the details so that
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
can share within your group.
Sure,
Okay?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so
Okay. I'm
much.
texting you on the WhatsApp.
Sure. Thank you.
Thanks, team. Thanks for
Thank you all. Okay, thank you.